One thing that small content creators have issue with when it comes to their content creation is the area of mic. Most small content creators, especially newbies, normally look for mic that have low budget, that is that they can get for a small amount of money, because not everyone have that big kind of money to spend in content creation. So everything is that you have to start small before you upgrade to the higher level. Most time, finding a good quality mic is not that easy. Yeah, everybody know that. To find a good quality mic, it's not that easy. You might get some mic and eventually find out that those mic are not good. So that is what I'll be teaching in this video. In this video, I'll be reviewing to you 3 different mic you can use as a low B, and trust me, you won't be spending huge amount of money. Some of them you won't be spending any amount, while some you'll be spending a little amount of money just to get them. And trust me, these mic are very good mic because I've used them before and I know how they work. Why I'm making this video is because there are a lot of mic out there, like a lot of mic out there, and as a newbie you might fall in and go and get a mic that you don't actually need, that won't work for you. Yes, because every mic has their different purposes. Yes, and if you eventually go and get a mic that you will not actually use, that will be another payment to go and return, and most vendors won't collect it again. Yes, that's why I want to make this video, so that you have an idea about this mic and you will know which one to get. In case you don't know, there are different types of microphone. Let me say, like, I know of 3 types of microphone. That is the wireless microphone, the wire, that is the USB microphone, and the lavaliere microphone. Yes, and I believe that everybody knows these 3 types of microphone because they are very common everywhere. The wireless microphone is those ones that you plug, no wire at all. Yeah, that is those type of microphone. While the USB or wired microphone is the one that is what I'm currently using. They have wire that you use to connect it directly to your phone or the camera you are using. While the lavaliere microphone is the microphone that you just put on your table or wherever you're making your video. It's not mobile, which means you can't just carry it like this and start saying, well, yes, you have to station it one place to make the kind of video. That's what I call lavaliere microphone. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the 3 best microphone which I'll be showing you in this video. So number 1 of this best microphone is your phone microphone. Yeah, shock you, right? Yeah, your phone microphone is very good. Most of you are actually underrate your phone microphone because you don't know how to use it. One of the best microphone is your phone microphone. Trust me, yes. Most of you don't know because you don't really like using it. And as you can see, I'm using my phone microphone. I'm not using this. Let me know it. You can see it. I'm not using this right now. I'm using my phone microphone right now. And guess you can hear my voice very right. Yes. You'll be shocked, why is it this clear? There's other ways when during your editing you make it very clear and very audible. But I won't be doing this video because this video is for just microphone. If you want me to make a video on that, put in the comment section, let me know. If you want me to make a video on how you can use your phone, how you can get the best quality out of your phone microphone, and I will be willing to do that video for you. Yes. So coming to number 2 is our lapel lavaliere microphone. Yes, and that is what I'm using right now, lapel lavaliere microphone. This microphone is very cheap. Yes, you can see the price here, very cheap. And it record good. This was the first microphone I actually bought. When I started using doing my content creation, this was the first microphone I bought before I actually upgraded. So if you don't have a very huge amount of money to spend on microphone, you can just get this on any of the stores online. I got this from Jumia. You can see the price up there. Yes, it's very cheap like that. You can get it and you can see how it sounds. Yes, how it looks like. You can see it's very audible, like it's not that much, but it's good for beginners. And also it is 5 feet long. Let me say, yes, 5.9 feet long. Yes, because the light from the distance or the microphone to where to your phone, because you have to plug it to your phone. Yeah, that is the mic. It's wired not the phone. Yes, that's it is 5.9 feet from your phone. That is it for this mic. Then coming to number three. Our number three mic is the BOYA BY-M1 mic. Yes, this BOYA B1 mic is what actually upgraded to recently, and this mic can be serving me really good. Like if you want to, like if you invest me, like this three mic that I've mentioned, if which one I would recommend you go for, I would recommend you go for the BOYA mic, because it's very good, very audible. Like no, it have noise filter. Yes, the other one they tell you that they have no noise filter, but you don't really have. This BOYA mic have noise filter, and it's very good. This BOYA mic is 3.5 millimeter long. Yes, like very long. You can use it for your camera, your phone. Yes, it's not only it's not only your phone you can use it for your camera, your phone. Yes, and it's very long. BOYA is very long. I would have shown you, but I have this. It has something like this. Let me show you. Yeah, something like this. You can see there's a button over here where you can switch if you're using mic, and also switch if you're using your, like if you're using camera, like the DSLR camera. Yes, or you're using your phone. Yes, that is where you can actually switch it and do the setting. And I also have a battery inside. Yeah, and you can see the price in the screen. That is, it also got it from Jumia, and it's as cheap as that. So in this three mic I just recommended just now, if you're looking for a good mic, I'll tell you what to actually look for. One is the mobility. Yes, actually what you want to use it for. You can't use this kind of mic for vlogging, like this wire mic. If you want to do vlogging, you look for wireless mic to do your vlogging. Yes. Another thing, noise cancellation. You have to look for a mic that has noise cancellation, because most people won't watch your video if your videos have noise in it. Yes, that is it. So these two things are very important for you to look at in your mic when purchasing your mic. So if you have any mic that you know that is good, let me know in the comment section. I'll actually drop it in the comment section so that I also know about it, and maybe also make a video about that kind of mic. And if you have any question about mic, also go to the comment section, let me know, and I'll be glad to do that for you. So in my next video, I'll be teaching about my lighting setup. Yeah, I'll be teaching about my lighting setup in my next video. So I will advise you, don't miss out on that. Don't miss out. So I am a Solo Wise. Yeah, that's my name, Solo Wise. And if this is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. I'd like you to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, support me by subscribing, like, and share. I will see you in my next video. Thanks.